Alrighty guys, so took you right one looking at the tractors here. I got a nice old case in the original orange. It looks good. Also got a nice Ford tractor here too. It's kind of a cool color. Nice, you got all the little engines running and stuff. Got a little economy tractor. Got some of the old farm implements and stuff. Cub Cadet. Really nice looking Cub Cadet. Got an old International Harvester tractor. Wow, that is old seat style. Got another little waggy tractor over there. Nice. And got another International Harvester in the rust color. Don't look too bad. And I got another Cadet. Yeah. But this two-tone color on the Ford is just cool. That is nice. Yeah. Wow, that's cool. Oh, so this is a McCormick Farmall Cub. 2 weight, 3-speed, 10 horsepower. Wow. That is really cool there. Old wheel and stuff, look at that. Sweet. Just a little 10 horsepower engine, that's cool. And we got another Farmall Cub here. Oh, Massey Harris Pony, 1952 tractor there. Got a Massey Ferguson as well. Oh yeah, the original gray and red colors there. That's cool. Yeah. So got the McCormick Farmall. Look at this thing. Case IH International Harvester. Nice. Look at that. That was a cool. Oh, you got the some of the original International in the yellow. Got some of the original implements here. Oh, and this one's got a scoop. Oh, it's got a front loader scoop. Look at that, Todd. Look at that design. It's just an arm. The offset sometimes. That's cool. That's a cool design. I bet there's not much of a lift capacity, but still, that's cool. Look at this big boy. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, it's got the official weights there. Wow, look at that. Oh, got a new seat on there covered up. Look at that. Looks like 1, 2, 3 inline 6 engine. That's cool. It's got the attachments so you can expand for more wheels, get more grip and traction. At this one's an inline 4 high clearance model, so you're not running over your crops. Another Farmall McCormick International Harvester, and then this one little tricycle. That's cool. Looks like another inline 4. That's cool. Nice. At the Bigs in Daytona, you find tractors. That's kind of cool. And then the little baby Ferguson here. Wow, these are cool. Yeah, I don't know. I'm liking tractors a lot more now. That is sweet.